Hi, my name is Venice J. You can call me Van or Venice. I am 26 years old and I am from Cebu City, Philippines. Well, to tell you about myself, I am I was a teacher before from secondary and from ESL. And I experienced handling both kids and adults. I experienced handling daycare too, and they were so fun to be with. And to tell you about my hobbies, well, I love music. I love dancing and singing. I love reading books. I love watching movies. And I love traveling. And I am hoping that I can see you in my class and have good times together as we both learn the English language. Bye bye!